Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to App School. I'm Steve, and today we're going to be diving into the exciting world of Node.js. If you haven't already, please be sure to check out our previous video on installing Node.js via NVM, the Node version manager. You can find the link in the description below. So let's get started creating your first Node.js project. First things first, create a new folder for your Node.js project. You can call it whatever you like, but for this project, I'm going to call it Hello App School Node. Navigate to your newly created project directory using your terminal or command prompt. You'll be working inside this folder throughout the tutorial. Now let's initialize your project with npm. This step sets up a package.json file that stores information about your project and its dependencies. Run the following command: npm init. This command will prompt you with a series of questions. Fill in the details or simply press enter to accept the default. The package.json file will be created once you're done. To write and run your first Node.js script, create a new file in your project folder called index.js. You can do this using your text editor or via the command line. Touch index.js. Now let's write a simple hello world program. In your text editor, write console.log hello world. To run your Node.js script, go back to your terminal and enter the following command while still in the project directory: node index.js. Congratulations, you've just executed your first Node.js program. Optionally, nodemon is a handy tool that automatically restarts your Node.js application whenever you make changes to the code. Install it globally with the following command: npm install -g nodemon. The -g flag makes it a global installation, allowing you to use nodemon for any Node.js project. To show how nodemon works, let's run our index.js file using the new tool. Nodemon index.js. Now if you make a simple change to your index.js file, such as updating the log message, nodemon will automatically detect the change and restart your Node.js application, making development more efficient and enjoyable. And that's it, you've successfully created your first Node.js project and learned how to use nodemon for a smoother development experience. In our upcoming videos, we'll explore more Node.js topics, so be sure to subscribe and click the like button to support us. If you have any thoughts or questions, please share them in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our Discord server, the link is in the description. Thanks for joining us at App School, and as always, happy coding!